I'm going to show you how to safely remove Linux or Ubuntu from dual boot Windows. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to your taskbar, and then on your Windows Start icon, you're going to right click on it, then go to your disk manager. Then disk manager will pop up. Then you need to identify the location where your Linux or your Ubuntu was installed. So once you've identified the location where you had installed your Linux or your Ubuntu, you are going to select, then you are going to right click, then you are going to delete volume. Then click on yes. Then once you've done that, you will now close this one. Then you will go to your Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser, then search for OMEI partition assistant. Then you need to scroll down. Then this is their official website. Ensure that you have selected the correct website. So you are going to click on that. Then it will land you to their homepage. Now you need to download this software to your computer. So you just click on download freeware. Then the download has started at the top there. So let us just give it time for it to finish. So once the exe file has downloaded, you are going to double click on the file. Then this security pop-up will come. Just click on yes, then English. Then click on OK. Then you will skip this one. Then install. So I had already installed this. I do not want to reinstall it again. So I'm going to open mine here. I'm going to refresh first. Then I will open mine. It is here. I'm going to open it. Then click on yes. Then once you are here, you will now select the entire disk. At the bottom there, you are going to drag this up so that you may see the entire disk. So drag it up, then select the entire disk. By selecting that, you will select even the one where Linux was or your Ubuntu. Once you've done that, you will come here and click on rebuild MBR. Because if you do not rebuild MBR, whenever you open your computer, you will find this error which says grub rescue. So you do not want that. We want to completely get away with even the grub for Linux or for Ubuntu. So click on rebuild MBR, then click OK. After you have clicked rebuild MBR, you are just going to click at the top there, apply. So your grub will be safely and secure. So whenever you will open your computer, whenever you will open your Windows, it will directly enter into Windows. It will not bring you into this error which says grub rescue. So that's it, guys. That's how you can completely and safely remove Ubuntu or Linux from your dual boot Windows. So if you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also to like the video. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.